Hello guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, we're going to show you how to dropship from Alibaba to Shopee Philippines. So if you're interested, start tutorial. So in today's digital age, dropshipping has become an attractive business model for entrepreneurs, especially for those who want to run an e-commerce store without dealing with inventory management. Now, it actually allows sellers to list products on their online store and only purchase them from suppliers like Alibaba once a customer has made a purchase. Now, the products are then shipped directly to customers and often from the manufacturer itself. However, if you're looking to dropship from Alibaba to Shopee Philippines, now it can be kind of tricky since there isn't a direct way to link these platforms. But the good news here is with the right tools, you can still make it work smoothly. Now, in this case, let's go and discuss what is Alibaba and Shopee first. So, in this case, what is Alibaba? So, before we dive into specifics of dropshipping here, let's first understand what is Alibaba. So, Alibaba is a Chinese multinational conglomerate and one of the largest e-commerce companies in the world. Now, it was founded by B2B or business-to-business marketplace that connects manufacturers, wholesalers, and suppliers primarily from China to global buyers. Now, Alibaba has since expanded services catering to not only businesses but also offering B2C or business to consumer services, where small businesses and individual entrepreneurs can source products for retail. So, in this case, for dropshipping, Alibaba is the ideal platform since you can find thousands of suppliers who are willing to ship products directly to your customers. Now, next, what is Shopee? Now, Shopee is an online shopping platform originating from Singapore. Now, with its reach rapidly expanding throughout Southeast Asia, including the Philippines, Shopee provides an easy-to-use mobile-centric marketplace where sellers can create shops, list their products, and reach a wide audience. Now, it's one of the most popular platforms in the Philippines for online shopping, making it a great choice for dropshippers who want to sell products from, or in this case, to Filipino consumers. Now, in this case, there's a challenge here. So if you want to start selling or dropship in Shopee using Alibaba, there are some challenges. That includes no direct integration for these two platforms. So as of right now, Shopee does not have a built-in integration tool for dropshipping directly from Alibaba. Now, the challenge here is that there's no native way to sync these two platforms. However, you can still manage the dropshipping process by using Shopify as an intermediary. Now, in this case, how do we set this up? So first things first is you want to go ahead and just create a Shopify store. Now, creating one is pretty simple. You just need to go to shopify.com, basically create your account, log into your account, and just basically create your shop here. It will ask you a bunch of questions first, but simply speaking, this is what you'll be seeing. Now, in here, since we want to drop ship or start selling on Shopee, we need to set things up first. So we want to go ahead and start sourcing our products from Alibaba. Now, we need to actually install an app for that. So in this case, you want to go ahead and go to your dashboard here, click on your settings at the bottom left here, and you want to go ahead and click on the option here. It says Apps and Sales Channel. Go ahead and click on Shopify App Store at the top right. And from here, you want to go ahead and just basically type in the following. It's going to be Alibaba. Now, you should be able to see different apps here that you could choose, but in this example, we'll be using Dropship Man Easy Dropshipping. Let's go ahead and click on this one. As you can see, Alibaba is one of the sources for dropshipping of this app. Now, from here, let's go ahead and click on Install. And it's going to start the installation process. So agree to any requirements here. So in this case, it will ask permissions. Let's go ahead and click on Install. And when this is actually installed, let's go and discuss a few things regarding the app itself. So the app allows you to basically start sourcing products from Alibaba or from other platforms and basically adding that into your store here. So in this case, at the left side, we have Dropship Man. Now from here, we have product selection, which in this case allows you to see different products here. So let's go ahead and specify a few things. Like for example, we want to maybe sell like let's just say like pet supplies, men's clothing, as well as the option for sports and outdoor, and click on confirm. It should give you different options or recommendations here, as you can see right now. Now, basically in here, you should be able to start adding products into your list. Now, if you click on the option here that says add to product list, this will be added into your product. So later on, we'll be seeing that. Now we also have the product center, which in this case you should be able to see all the products that you've added in here. Now the great thing about the dropship man here, you can also buy a sample here just in case, like for example, you want to check what's the quality for it, how it's going to actually do with the actual product itself. So if you want to test it out first. So in this case, we have not listed, listed, store products, deleted, and a lot more. So they are categorized into different categories here. But before we further discuss this, let's go and go back to orders first. Now, orders is where you'll be able to see all the orders that you receive for your account, which in this case, you should be able to start managing them via this way. Now, you also have customer service just in case you have any problems or questions. You can reach out to custom service, which in this case allows you to add services, but we don't want to touch that for now. And also we have partnership here. So in this case, if you want to apply to their favorite program, also their partners here. So in this case, you could go ahead and just start a partnership with Dropship Man here. But there's a lot more to that. And also you have settings here, which in this case allows you to change a few things about your account here for Dropship Man. That includes your profile, notifications, import settings. You could also upload your own logo here, your address here, if you basically want to add like addresses into your store here where your products will be delivered. So if you actually add like if you want to get like samples of the product itself, and also have auto payment here, which in this case allows you to automatically pay for certain fees that you'll be incurring here. So in this case, automatic payments directly for Dropship Man. And also you have recommended apps here, which in this case, apps that is recommended by Dropship Man. Now, when you go to Product Center, this is where you'll be able to see the product. Now, for example, the price and profit that you'll be getting here, the product cost, the shipping fee for it, and a lot more. So if you want to go and list this into your products, you go and click on List Product. It's going to say List as Published Product, so it's going to be activated. Or you could go and list this as a draft product. Now, you could go and keep this selection and save a lot reminder. Do not remind me next time. You could go and continue selling when the product is already out of stock. Let's go and disable this one and let's go and click confirm. Now, once you've done that, it's now going to be published and it will now be automatically added into your Shopify store. As you can see, it's now under listed. Let's go to products here and see if it's now added. And as you can see, it's now added in here. As you can see, it's already added for us. Now, by the way, since we want to connect this into Shopee, what you need to do is you want to install another app, which in this case, again, you want to go ahead and go to Shopify App Store here, and basically just type in the following. It's going to be Shopee. Now, you need to install an app here, so there are going to be a lot of apps here. So for example, you have Easy Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok. Let's go and install that, and just click on the install button here that you see. And it should, again, ask for you to basically approve the installation. So this might take a while. So let's go and click on install. And once the product is installed, so again, let's just wait for it. Or once the app is installed, you could go and just choose a plan here that you may want to start using. So some apps here on Shopee requires you to basically pay a subscription. So you have monthly and yearly here. But typically speaking, it allows you to start syncing up products here into your Shopify account into Shopee. So yeah. So in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe. Till and up. Thank you for watching.